This video will change your life, guaranteed. No, this isn't clickbait. Stay till the end, and I'll reveal the exact steps that helped me win $188,000 in Powerball, using a secret mantra. And don't miss the special Thursday mantra chant attached at the end of this video to help you attract financial gains. I was just an ordinary immigrant in Australia, not living in poverty, but always feeling the financial stretch. Like many, I dreamt of financial freedom, breaking the generational hardships, and becoming the first millionaire in my family. I tried everything: social media marketing, trading, running an agency, but nothing seemed to work. My luck just wasn't on my side. In 2023, I decided to go on a spiritual journey to India, hoping to find some peace and clarity in my life. Little did I know that this trip would change everything. During my 4-month stay, I met countless yogis and spiritual masters who taught me the essence of meditation, yoga, and spirituality. I wanted to immerse myself in these practices, but the teachings required hours of meditation each day, time I didn't have due to financial pressures. That is when I realized, before anything else, I needed financial freedom. My focus shifted to finding a way to make a lot of money. And it was during this quest that I met a yogi in Haridwar, a man who seemed to already know what I was searching for. He gave me 7 powerful mantras, one for each day of the week, with detailed instructions on how to chant them. I decided to try the Wednesday mantra first, and to my surprise, the very next day, I got a job offer with better pay than my current one. This was the first sign that these mantras were powerful. When I returned to Australia, I kept chanting these mantras, but did not see any major results. It took me some time to realize I was not setting clear intentions before chanting. So I decided to take it seriously. I set my intention, bought a lottery ticket on Tuesday and won Division 6 prize, a small $27.50. That's when I knew I'd found something special. But there were moments of doubt. Could a mantra really help me win the lottery consistently? I needed to test this further. I continued using the mantra week after week, following the exact steps the yogi had given me. And then it happened. Over time, the winnings grew. I won $188,000 in Powerball, my second biggest win after the $1 million I won in Monday Lotto. These wins were proof that these mantras were working, and I knew I had to share this secret with others. Now, with financial freedom, I can focus on my true passion, meditation and yoga. I don't chase after material wealth. I've found peace, happiness, and enlightenment through these ancient practices. This is not just my journey. I created the 10x lottery winning kit so others can follow the same path. It's not just about winning money, it's about gaining the freedom to live life on your terms. I believe everyone deserves that. If you want to learn the exact steps I took, check out the 10x lottery winning kit on my Etsy store. It contains all the mantras and instructions I received from the Indian yogi who changed my life. Also, don't forget to check out the Thursday mantra chant attached at the end of this video. It's the same one I used to win Powerball. Don't wait. Your journey to financial freedom could start today.